Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the GUI West, if I'm pronouncing that right, USB microphone. So let's open up this bad boy. I was sent a white one, but you can get black as well. This is all plastic base. Because the base is pretty solid. It feels like there's metal in the base. And you got a pop filter as well. Right back in there. There's your pop filter. The bitch on the mic. And then your cables for the mic. So let's get this set up and hook up to the computer and see what this sounds like. So now we have it hooked up to the computer and you can see the RGB lighting. It looks really, really nice. There is a card that comes in here to extended warranty to 36 months, and also instructions. And you need instructions to hook this mic up. It is plug and play, but you still have to go in the instructions and follow along. And let's do some audio samples now. Okay, what you're hearing is the mic installed already on the computer. This is the quality of the actual audio. What you have to do now is you have to do some settings. They're not difficult, but they have to be done. Because what happens is, if you have Bluetooth headphones with a mic, you're going to have a conflict there of all these mics. The same with your laptop. You got a mic in the laptop, you have to make sure these are all set properly so you don't have any conflicts. So first of all, I just want to say that the mic sounds really good, and I'm really happy with the performance of the mic for a budget mic. And I'll put links to Amazon below. So let's go into the settings and I'll show you how it's done. So using Windows 11, they have an instruction book that you can go Mac, Windows 10, and Windows 11 set up in there. But anyways, let's do it right now on Windows 11. Go to the speaker icon, right click, sound settings, scroll down to where it says more sound settings. Under playback, make sure you have the right one selected. This is my headphones, that's fine. Now under the recording, this is the most important one, because we're hooking up a new mic here. You can have, in some cases you might have all these with green check marks on them. And what you have to do is you have to right click and disable them if they have a green check mark on them, because you'll have conflicts. So this is all set up alright perfectly. So I'm really happy with the sound quality of this mic for a budget mic. If you found the video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.